Hello everyone, it's Chris with Disney Dynamicks, and today we've got something pretty special. We've got Magic at Your Door's monthly box for the month of December. This is their $124.99 and free shipping box, and I can't wait to take a look at it. Let's take a peek. It's so little. Dude's looking awesome, all gingerbreaded out. And of course, it's personalized. I like that they do that. This is coming up right now. Alright, so let's take a peek in this. I'll let you be the first ones in. What the heck is that? Throw it up on the screen for you. Magic at Your Door. Happy birthday, Chris Herman, from your friends at Magic at Your Door. Now make a wish and do as dreamers do, and all your wishes will come true. I don't entirely know how they know it was my birthday. It must have been on the preferences, right? I don't remember putting that in there, but I see people get birthday boxes, so yeah. But this is actually Mary's box. Well, I don't know. Either way, thank you very much, Mike and 001. That was very sweet. Alright, and then we have our weekly newsletter. I'll throw that up on the screen for you. This just talks about upcoming stuff that they're doing and always has the color-coded price sheet on it. So this is simply for Disney items that do not have a price tag. They have a color code, and you can use this to figure out what your total value is. So if you'd like to take a look at that more, you are more than welcome to pause it, because I'm going to keep going. Alright. Got confetti. And a Mickey shirt! Look at that! I need a new shirt. I keep wearing the same ones for these videos. Love it. Let's try it on. There you go. Fits nice. Check it out. I like the color and everything. All right, awesome. Whoa. Oh. So I'm super confused, but this is, look at that pen. I'll put a picture up of it for you. 33 bucks. This thing is so cool. I've seen it a few times. I really like it. It's kind of like the sketches of Mickey. But the reason I'm confused, I guess, is, so this is Mary's box, and then they also let you have spouses' preferences, and they get one item, but the main box holder gets the rest. But Mickey is not on Mary's preferences, so I got two things. So now I'm wondering what's going on here. It's not a fluke. Mickey pins! This box is for me. That is too cool. Oh, and they're the newer Mickeys, like from the new cartoons. I really like that style. So cool! I think that Mary contacted Magic at Your Door. It's the trash can highlighters. These are going to look so cool on my display behind me. I love them. I'll never use them. But they're just so cool to just have. I just like them. I know it's weird, but I like their garbage cans. So now I have them. That's awesome. Haunted Mansion playing cards. Look at that. This is like perfect timing because as soon as I'm done shooting this video, I am heading out of town. I live in Nevada, but I'm heading to a different casino town to meet up with some family. And instead of losing money in the casino, I will lose money to my sister in the hotel room playing poker. That's awesome. That's gonna be a lot of fun. I really like those. Oh. This whole video is... Oh. Sorry. I just like this stuff. So, it's a postcard. Look at how cute that is. I'll put it up on the screen nice and big so you can really get a good look at it, but that is such an awesome sketch. And then we've got... There's a Jim Shore! It was hiding under the... So I don't know what... I'm gonna do the Jim Shore last, because I love doing those last. Jim Shore are my favorite, and... Now that this is all me stuff, I'm really curious what that one's gonna be. I recently got 2 boxes in a row, I think I got different Mickey Jim Shores, which was super cool. This is... Oh... There, sorry. This is a metal earth, but it's color. It's a metal earth of the main entrance sign. How fun is that gonna be? I don't know if you can hear my Rottweiler outside, but she's not happy right now. Look at that. So, I don't know if you saw, I've only done one of these so far, and I really liked it. It was the Haunted Mansion box that we got from Magic at Your Door. And I did it, if I remember right, it took maybe 3 or 4 hours. Probably longer. Of the mansion itself. And I just really like how intricate they are. They're so detailed, and they look so cool when you display them when you're done. I just like them a lot. So that is gonna be amazing. I can't believe how good the color is on the metal. All right, it's a great birthday box, and we got Jim Shore. I think that's it. Yep. All right. Here we go. So, I'm not gonna peek. This box is not four-sided. I didn't know I was showing you what it was. Alright, oh! Another Mickey! And it's another different one, so now I have 3 completely different Jim Shore Mickeys. How cool! Look how cool! Oh, he lights up too! Uh-oh. Oh, I am doing that. That's cool. Oh, he's so cool looking. Look at how awesome he is. Thank you so much, Mary and Mike at Magic at Your Door and 001. It was a small box, but man, it packed a wallop. This stuff is amazing. I absolutely love every single thing that was in here. There's nothing I wouldn't buy for myself. I mean, I love all of this stuff. So cool. If you like our videos, we recently did one of a giveaway of a Bibbidi Bobbidi box that was $119 in value. It's an ultimate box. It's a couple videos ago that we did it. I'll put a link to that up here if you want to check it out. There's still time to get into that one. We are actually going to do the drawing on Christmas Day 2019. So you've got a little time. Go check it out and get yourself on the list so that you have an opportunity to win that. If you'd like to check out last week's video was a 12 Days of Christmas ornaments box from Magic at Your Door. You can check that out right here. And if you'd like to click the subscribe button, it's chilling right here. I hope you are having a great day.